John. Good. Today John is kind of a mischievous guy. So John wants to do everything. Like one day John sees it some kind of things and he wants to do like that. John opened his diary and he started writing it like he have to learn coding, he have to learn guitar, he have to speak English, he have to do some kind of yoga, he have to start some gym. Like John wrote it like 30 things in his diary. And then he said it, I will start from tomorrow. And tomorrow morning, 5 o'clock, he put the alarm. He woke up and he see all the things in the diary. He felt so much overwhelmed. And again, he slept back. Now, one day he really sat and he thought it like, okay, let's do. He opened his laptop, put some kind of, you know, coding video in YouTube, take his guitar in his hand and open an English book. While reading the English book, he's playing the guitar while watching the coding video. Obviously, this is the point of multitasking. So usually people have it like one brain or zero brains. But John started to have it like multi brains. He started to work on everything. You know what happened after 30 days? Zero. John didn't learn coding. Didn't learn the guitar. John didn't learn the English. John never did gym. John never did yoga. Or John never did any other thing which he wrote it in diary. One day, John's professor saw his diary and saw it like, what are the things in the list? And by seeing that many things, the John's professor just tear off all the pages in the diary and said it like, write it only one thing per a page. So then John decided to do something. He wrote it just learn coding. John spent months and months to learn the coding. He really learned and he did the coding. Days and night he spent only on coding. He never cared about gym. He never cared about health. He never cared about holidays like we all are taking now. Or he never cared about weekends or whatever the fun movies, kuch bhi. He cared about only coding. And he got a great job. After getting the job, now he focused on English. Then soon he became so good in English. When he got so much more opportunities, he got some promotion. Then he started learning the guitar. It makes his mind calm, stress free. Then he started doing the gym and he started to become something young again and he feels relaxed in his life. Obviously. Now, the key to success in life is to do one thing and prioritize which one to do first. In your life, always it will tell you to do so many things. No one will have one goal again. Maybe you want to become nice software developer. You want to earn so much money. You want to buy cars. You want to buy the kind of houses. You want to go to the USA. You want to speak nice English. You want to have some six packs, or you want to have it some kind of good English. People will have multiple goals, but prioritize one so that your next thing will be smoother. If you observe it, the man or any human being can able to achieve bigger things, so much bigger things, just by focusing on one particular topic. Recently, there is one particular topic in news. I don't know whether you knew this or not. There is one particular thing called IBOM issue or something kind of, and I heard it. There is one kind of piracy site maintained by one guy, and he got caught recently in Telugu. Okay, And when that history is there, when I saw his history, he is from the Amirpet. The guy who's did that piracy one, the one which he built the empire, that guy took the coaching in Amirpet, and later, obviously, some family issues or something, he became alone. But once he became that, he focused. Believe me, the one who don't know anything came to Amirpet, learned something. Obviously, Amirpet don't teach you everything. Very little. In your life, if you need 100%, Amirpet teach you 10%. 90% you should learn by on your own. And that guy learned it. He spent years alone doing the coding. He did his best. Like the world turned around him. The only problem is if he done the same best in some company, he would have get so much promotion and nice job. Simple. Simple. Each one's goal is different. I'm not telling you to become bad. I'm telling you you can achieve so much bigger if you really concentrate. 90% of the students in Amirpet have fun only. They come here, they will have fun in the hostel, they will have fun in the weekends night shopping. No. Saturday night, Amirpet, how much colorful it will be. Like everywhere you will have only shopping only. Like pani puris, biryanis, hotels, like dresses. You can't even walk in the Amirpet in Saturday's night, especially on the main road. If you have a bike or something. The point is, it's too much crowded. Majorly, Amirpet market is done by the students because students come here to learn, but they will do everything except the learning. Everything. Some people do. Some people study. I know that. But remaining not. But everyone have only one desire na, to get the job. Remember that. Until next 3 4 months, every time you sleep, every time you woke up, remember you came here to get the job. Once you get the job, you do whatever you want. You put your salary and burn it. No one will care. But until that, focus on. Your goal is only job. Is it clear, ma? Good. That's the thing. Let's start today's one. Go here. Share your study plan. Huh? I do study. Does anyone observe this? Like every time I open a new tab, I will get these articles because I use some extension called Daily Dev. Every day morning, I will just open it, or sometimes whenever I'm free, I open it. For example, if someone just mentioned it like some kind of article, React handbook or something kind of one, I will just open it. I know the React, but I will just read it. What is this article is saying it about? Is there anything new? I will read so many blogs. I will watch 1 2 videos or something kind of series or something kind of one. I will read some kind of news every day. That's it mostly. But to the people, most people don't know fact. In companies, if 8 hours is there, 8 hours you will not coding. Max 2 hours you will code. 6 hours you will study or you will do discussion. You will do research. Okay, you will do thinking. Because that is what the most important part. Coding is very little. Why? Because coding will come automatically once you had it your proper research and think. Someone said it like, okay, for example, do some kind of recent version of React. If someone said it like, okay, use recent version of React, do you think I will come to Amirpet again and learn the recent version of React? Do you think anyone will put the video automatically when the React new version came? No. People have to go again, they have to go to the official documentation and they have to read that official documentation line by line. For example, in MySQL, something I forgot, people forgot. For example, I forgot something MySQL about date. When I will type it MySQL date functions, then I will open it, then I will just have a read. When I'm reading it, it will show me some kind of things. Okay, for example, I'm reading it. Oh, So I can use something day of the week. I will open it. Oh, if I use something like this, it will give day of the week. Then I will copy it and use it. A good programmer is not the one who remembers everything. Is the one who knows where to search and how to search. Simple. Believe me. We search in Google, not in ChatGPT. We don't copy, we read. We don't just type program, we think. This is the difference between fresher and a senior. Seniors think, seniors search it in Google and check it multiple links. Seniors kind of, type it instead of copy paste it. The juniors will just directly take it, go to ChatGPT, ask something without any thinking. ChatGPT will say this answer and will copy paste it. The problem with the GPTs are we are humans. We should think and we should decide. In Google, I will have 10 options. I will decide any one option and I will try it. The ChatGPT will decide one option and will tell you use this. Means there is no thinking point. I like decision making. I want people also to do that. Is it clear, ma? Use GPTs for thinking. If anyone wants study plan, just try this kind of one. Every day, try to learn new things. Morning or evening or afternoon. Let me open up here MySQL. What I have discussed, I will just open it all once. Let me show you everything what we have discussed till now, sir. Online, any questions? Can you explain in a join? I will do it one more time. Now, before I start, sir, we discussed MySQL introduction. What is MySQL? What is SQL? What is difference between DBMS and RDBMS and non-RDBMS? Then we discuss something called data types and constraints. Then we discuss something called DDL commands. Then we discuss something called DML commands. Then we discuss something called DQL commands. Okay. Then we discussed kind of what we discussed more. Then we discussed something like this queries. We discussed operators. We discussed order by sort. We discussed order by sort and all queries we did. Then we discussed yesterday DQL and what we discussed yesterday one is this. Yesterday we discussed inner join one. Inner join one we have the SQL file. Okay, so notes is not given on inner join. Let's have the notes for inner join and then we'll do it like best. I will explain inner join one more time. Let's have with a note, sir. Joins. The notes is there in the Google Drive and Classroom. Now, now let's start, sir. Uh, joins. Joins are used. Joins are used to combine multiple tables, multiple tables, so that to combine multiple tables, so that queries can be performed on those tables combined. Combined. Each and every table, each and every table in MySQL will have a connection with another table, with another table called, with another table called relation, relation. In one table, in one table, primary key will become foreign key in another table, in another table. In one table, primary key will become foreign table, foreign key in another table. For example, let's take students table and uh, courses table. I'm going to have students table. Students table contain student ID, student name, student ID, student name, student email, student gender, student course ID. Like if I give it here 101 Raj a@a.com, mail 1104, 102 Sneha b@b.com, female 1105. This is for students table. Imagine I have another table called courses table. Courses table. Student course ID, course name, course fee, course ID, which is 1104 DBMS 1200 1105 Java, some kind of 10K. Now, can anyone tell me which course Sneha is studying? Which course Sneha is studying, sir? How do you know that? Course ID. So, in courses table, in courses table, course ID is the primary key. Why? Because using course ID, you can able to find any data. So course ID is primary key here, but the same course ID, when it go to another table, here this student course ID, it need not have same name. It can have different name also. And this is called here foreign key. And here you are matching this both. You are saying it like Sneha's course ID is 1105. So 1105 course name is Java. So Sneha's course is Java. That is what you are doing now. Same thing if you wanna do it by query. Now, sir, to answer this question, which course Sneha is studying, to answer this question, which course Sneha is studying, you have to combine these two tables now. Can you able to answer by only one table? No. So that is why we will use join. Join, we need actually multiple tables. Is it clear, ma online? Yeah. Now, how do you perform this query, sir? For example, here I want write a query here. If I wanted to write a query to print this student name and the course name, common data, then I will use inner join. What I will use, ma? Inner join. Different types of joins. Let's write it here. Different types of joins. based on the result, based on the result we want, we divide, we divided the joins into different types such as inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, self join. These are the most widely used ones. These are the most widely used joins. Now, first one, inner join. Now, it is used. It is used to display the common data. Common data is used to display the common data. Means means returns only returns only the rows where there is a match. There is a match in both the tables. Where there is a match in both the tables, then only it will return. If there is one row where there is no match, it will not come, sir. No. For example, here, imagine, sir, here I have 1106. Imagine, just imagine, here I have it like 1106 HTML, something like 1000. Sir, there is one course named HTML. Is there anyone studying HTML in our students list? Anyone studying HTML, ma? No. That means HTML is not having any matching in another table, na? That will not come. Inner join bole to when two tables are existed. Inner join bole to when two tables are existed. Like this is one table and this is another table. Only this middle part will come. The common data, the matching part will come. You can draw this diagram also neatly. Now this is inner join basically. Inner join will contain it like common one, like kind of intersection in your maths. Yesterday we discussed this online. You can tell me doubts if you have. Clear? Now, after the diagram, what is the syntax? Syntax is select table name dot column name, table name dot column name. Like you can have it like multiple your wish. from table 1 inner join table 2 on table 1 dot common colon equals to table 2 dot common colon. In both the tables, there is one column which is having common values. That column only you will write. Now, anyone have any question, ma? No. Let's take this example, sir. Guys, let's take this example. For example, taking the same thing. I'm taking the same thing for the note's sake. Actually, we did it examples yesterday, so many, but still we will do it like more and more today also. For example, this. Here, in this example, 103, Prasad, c@c.com, mail. Can you tell what is the course name Prasad is studying? Now, Prasad is not studying any course only, basically. Okay. He came to Amirpet and just wasting the time. Now, see here, which is null. And same way, there is one course called HTML. No one is studying that also. Are you getting my point, ma? So there is one row not having only in left one. There is one row not matching in left table. There is one row not matching in right table also. But what are the matching rows? Tell me. Raj and Sneha. Those two are the matching rows, na? Now, if I want to perform, write a query to display only the people or students who registered for course along with their course name. Course name. Sir, do I need to print Prasad now? Do I need to print Prasad name? No. Why? Because I asked to print only the people who registered for the course, and the Prasad is not registered. You can see it like null is there. No need to print. Sir, but primary key can't be null. But it's a foreign key. Primary key can't be null. In another table, it can be null. Simple logic. Every country should have a prime minister. You can't put null there. But in another country, maybe this country prime minister may be there, may not be there. Your wish. Okay. If all country prime ministers are coming into one particular country, one kind of absent. कुछ नहीं होता. But in their own country, they should not be absent. That is a logic. Now here, see, write a query to display only the students who registered for the course along with their course name. Now, you see this? First, I have to print select. You can see the syntax. Select. What do I want to print my here? Student name, course name. What I want to print? Student name and course name. Student name is from which table, sir? Students dot student name. Course is from the courses dot C name. Sir, you can even use aliases. Okay, actually aliases is easy, but I will show you first this way and then I will convert into that way. Both are same. From what is the first table? Students. Inner join. You can write in same line also. Actually, all the same line. What is the another table? Courses. Nowhere on. Because joins will do condition using on. Joins will do condition using on. On. What is the condition? Table name dot common column. Here students dot. Everyone see here. What is the common column name? S course ID. Here what is the column name? CID. Very good. So here S course ID equals to courses dot CID. Barabar. So if you perform this query, it will print the student's name and the C name, but it will not print Prasad name and it will not print HTML course because those two are not coming. Those two are not having common. Any doubts here, ma? Online, anyone have any questions? I hope all are clear. Now, sir, same thing you can also write as same thing. You can also write. You can also write using aliases. Aliases means some kind of fake names you can put. I will try the same query, but this time I will use some kind of aliases like here students as S, courses as C. Now I can write it wherever students are there S, wherever courses as C. Students S, courses C. Basically both are same. Just a making of writing it kind of simple. That's it. Syntactical difference only, but kind of both are same. Whichever you prefer, you prefer. Actually, I like to prefer the second method. Okay. In most of the times, people use second method only. But it's up to your wish. It's like whether some people will confuse what is S, what is C again later. So that's why I will your wish. If you prefer the first one is also fine to me. Now, next. Once again, the explain 37. This is the line condition. In students table, whatever the course ID is there, that like for example, here what is the course ID 1104? Here what is the course ID 1104? So here course ID is equals to here CID. So then here name is Raj, here name is DBMS. Like that it will print. It will combine it here column with the here column. Simple. Now, anyone have any doubts, ma? No. Let's note it down. I will also give you the notes for left join, right join, and then we will do queries on left join, right join, and full outer join. Okay. Till now, everyone noted them? Noted. Very good. Not noted. Noted down then. If anyone not noted, complete it. I will wait. Instead of alias, write square brackets. No, it's better to write alias only. Don't write the square brackets. I want not matching records. That's what we will do slowly. Don't worry. We will do it. From inner join matter, sir. Yeah. Inner join matter. You have to write it in join. Now, next one. Noted, ma? Slowly. Next one. Left join. Left join. Left join. It is used. It is used. Guys. Okay. Last ones can see. Last boys can see na. It is used to return all rows from left table but only matching rows from right table all rows from left table only matching ones from right table. What is left table, sir? First table is called left table. Second table is called right table. Whatever you are writing after from is left, and then whatever the other thing is called right. Now, sir, what does it mean by left join? Can you see here two tables are there? If I have to draw diagram, draw these diagrams. Like for example, here, Are to all the snakes out there, focus here now. See, Raj is common here. Raj with Java, sorry, Raj with DBMS and Sneha with Java. Okay, Raj is having Java or sorry, DBMS and Sneha is having Java. But if you see here, Prasad is in the left table. Prasad is not common. Here HTML is there. HTML is also not common. Total here if you observe it, sir, total tables, the common only two rows are there. But in left table, one row is there, which is not common. Right table, one row is there, not common. If you are saying it like inner join, only this middle one will come. But if you say it like left join, this also will come. Like complete left and common. This is called left join. What is it called, ma? Left join. That's why I told you to draw the diagram. You can even draw this diagram also for the left join nicely. Now, left one combined. So now if I do this query, I will get all the people. Like Raj will come. What is Raj course? What is Raj course? What is Neha course? What is Prasad course? Null. Prasad course is not in the second table, but still common data will come along with all the other values. All the other values in left table. When you use left join, pura left table aata. Left join will give complete left table. If common is there, it will come print common. If common is not there, it will print null. For example, students mark list. There are two tables. One is students table. One is exam results table. Only people who are pass are in the results table. Imagine I gave results table only whoever passed. But sir, there are some people who failed. Maybe there are some people who are absent. Right or not? But those people also need answer, na? They should print something na. So I will print all students. If they are already in the list, I will show them pass. Their result it will show. Else I will show them this guy failed, this guy failed, this guy failed, like that. So all the data from students table will print and common data from results will print. That's it, na? In real time scenarios, I want to print all the data. Like for example, customers are there. Customer 101 bought two items. Customer 102 bought one item. Customer 103 bought one item. Customer 104 never bought anything. But still, I want to print all customers how many items he bought. 1, 2, 3, 4 is okay, but last one I have to print zero items he bought now. I should not leave them. Even the people without there also I want to print. All customers I want. When you want to print all the details of left table, you will use left join. What you will use, ma? Left join. So here I can try here left join. I will give you the more examples also. Don't worry. Now here the same example here. You can even say the above table. Okay. Now here write a query. Write a query to display all the students with their courses, with their course names. Can anyone tell me what is difference between this question and previous question? Read previous question. I gave another question previously. Inner join. What is difference between that question and this question? In that question, I said write a query to display students who are registered for the course. तो हमको पूरा स्टूडेंट्स नहीं चाहिए, खाली जो रजिस्टर हो गया खाली वो डिटेल्स चाहिए. Whatever the people registered there, only those people I need. But here I need all the people. Sir, if they are not registered, print them null. तो हमको पूरा स्टूडेंट्स चाहिए. If you want पूरा students, that means complete left table you want. Then I will use left join. What will use ma? Left join. Online, are you getting my point? Majority of the people, simple question. When to use left join, when to use inner join, when to use right join. ये पूरा question में रहता. Sir, everyone tell me. Display only registered users. Display only registered user. Which join you used, ma'am? Inner join. Display all students. Left join. Display all courses. Right join बराबर. हमको लेफ्ट टेबल में पूरा चाहिए तो लेफ्ट, राइट टेबल में पूरा चाहिए तो राइट, और लाइक ओनली कॉमन चाहिए तो इनर. लाइक आई वांट लेफ्ट पूरा, राइट पूरा, कॉमन भी, वो फुल आउटर जॉइन बोलता, which we will do. Okay. Now, anyway, how do you do it, sir? You don't write anything bigger. The query is exactly same. The query is exactly same. And that's why we are not having a special syntax. See here, what I will do. All I will change is left join. Can you see what I did the difference, sir? इनर जॉइन के जगह खाली लेफ्ट जॉइन डाले तो वो लेफ्ट जॉइन परफॉर्म होता. Online, please note it down, sir. We will do more and more, don't worry. Also draw this diagram. This this common wala. That is for left join. Draw that somewhere. Let me know once it is noted, then we'll do right join. Good. Next one. Is it done, ma? Did you all noted? Very good. Now, next one, sir. Right join. We will do it like more and more example. Don't worry. Right join. It is used to return all the rows from right table and matched rows from left left table. So same like exact one, but reverse ulta. Here it's like I want only common data from the left one, but complete data from the right one. If you see in our example, HTML is there. Have HTML, but no one registered. I want to print all courses with their respective students' names. Okay. Then in that cases, I will print it like HTML also with null, something kind of one. That is called right join. Now here, how do you do it right join, sir? In the same one, write a query to display all courses with their student names. All courses with their student names. Now, sir, I am printing it like how many students are there for every course, something kind of one. Okay. But for HTML, how many are there? Zero are there. You have to print that also. Okay. You should not leave that empty. In that cases, I will use this right join, sir. So query thoda different. Here, same kind of query we will take it, but little bit different is here I will write it right join. I will write it first course's name, then student's name. If you write it normally also, it will print correct only, but this one will look nice, like mera course name. But everyone see, what is the first table here? Everyone, what is the first table? So left table is students, right table is right or not? Left table is students, right table is courses. So all courses will come like Java, Raj, sorry, DBMS, Raj, Java, Sneha, HTML, null. क्योंकि HTML को कोई नहीं है null. Like this, all the data common and right side one. This is called right join. Right join. You can see the output also. For this, I will write it output so that people don't get confused. Course name, course.cname, students.name, sname, course name, dbms, Raj, Java, Sneha, HTML, null. Now, sir, why it is null? Because there is no student with the HTML one. You are printing all courses, but you are printing only common data from the right side. There is one guy named Prasad na. Prasad is also not having any course na. But am I printing that guy? No, because I'm not printing everything in left table. I'm printing everything on right table and common from left table. But I want, sir, left table पूरा चाहिए, right table भी पूरा चाहिए. That is called full outer join. Read that question. I want people to read questions. Display only registered students. Uh, Very good. Display all the students. Left join. Display all the courses. Right join. Display all students and all courses with their respective ones. Full outer join. So all are combining tables only. So क्या data चाहिए तुमको? Based on that you will divide. That's why based on the result we want, we divided the tables joins into multiple types. Now one more time, everyone. What is right join, sir? Right join means if two tables are there, guys, use your brain. If you think logically, this is very, very easy. Joins are the most easiest and logical thing, but people confuse. Okay, sir. In my table, Prasad is there, Raj. Raj is having DBMS, and Sneha is there, which is Java, and HTML is there. Can you see what is common? Raj and Snehana. What is not common in left table? Prasad. What is not common in right table? Now I want everything from right table and common from left table. Can you see which join it is, ma? Right join. Which join it is? Right. Correct. Now I printed everything from right side table, including the common from left side table. But in left side table, something uncommon is left. This is called right join. Anyone have any question, ma? No, we will do more and more queries. Don't worry. Online, any questions here? No. CID also come or not in join. CID is something kind of column name, Ray. Your wish. I think people were confused again. I I said it. C name, yes name, because I want to print them. You combined two tables. You can print whatever you want. Are you getting my point, ma? Sir, left join and right join are basically same. In right join, right table पूरा आता. In left join, left table पूरा आता. Any questions, sir? Can we write first? We will write the queries. Later, we'll come to full join or something and one. Now, let's go to MySQL workbench. I will give you the query. You try the query, and slowly, slowly, we'll do it like more. Let's go here. Go here. Can you see here, everyone? Let me close this all. Especially online people, focus here. Now, everyone, everyone, Seema, what are the details of employees you are having? Employee ID, employee name, employee role, department ID. What you are having? Department ID, salary, gender, age, joining date. There are different employees now. Now, sir, there is one employee named Prasad, and this guy is not having any department. Hey, why it is not coming? Something happened where EID is equals to 101. Incorrect integer value. Department ID equals to null, null. Something not coming. Okay. Now, everyone see this here. Let me enter here 134 something. Department ID. Field role doesn't have a default value. So, something. No, department ID, I put it something not null or something kind of one, I think. Okay, everyone see this? Guys, everyone, especially online people and offline people, understand the concept. Never focus on the definition more. Focus on the topic. Very simple. What is the use of join, my everyone? To join the tables. To join the tables. If you are joining tables, if you want common data between the tables, which one you will use? Inner join. If you want everything from left side, everything from right side, simple, that much only. You don't need to have it like a big definitions for that. I will open this ones were not clear, I think. Let me open yesterday one. I think yesterday we did something e-commerce. E-commerce. Oh, we have it already. W3 schools also. Customers and orders. Everyone see this, guys. Everyone see this. We have in W3 schools database, I have customers. In customers table, can you see customer ID is there? Customer ID 1, 2, 3, 4 something customer IDs are there. And can you see in orders table something in orders table? Can you see customer ID is there? Customer 98, what he ordered, customer something something he ordered. But there are some customers who never ordered also, na? You see that. You see, there is a customer number 1, I think, never came. 3 came. Maybe. Mostly it's not coming, I think. So there are some customers who never ordered also. That is a possibility. I want people, I want customers who ordered something. Everyone. Last voice, please focus here. I want customers who ordered. I want customers who ordered. Can we write a query, ma? Joins. In interviews, they will ask you queries only. Write a query. Write a query to display customers who ordered something. Who ordered something. Who ordered something. Who ordered something. So I want customer ID and order ID. Customer ID and order ID I want. Can you print, sir? Anyone tell me which join you will use? Can you tell which join you will use? Oh, yo. How many of you think like right join? How many of you think left join? How many think inner join? Remaining people who are not having hands to raise. क्या है disabled people है वो? Full join or Prasad join? You have to raise hands for something, na? Some people never even raised hand only. Okay. Sir, this is inner join, sir. This is inner join. क्योंकि I asked clearly customers who ordered. So those customers should be in customers table. Those customers should be in orders table. I am asking indirectly common data only. Majority of the time students will ask me this question only, how to find which join. तुम question पढ़ना है, अच्छा से question पढ़ना है. The more you understand the question, the easy you will find the answer. In SQL especially. SQL is a common language. Online, is it clear, my everyone? Online, is it clear? So we have to use inner join. Online also many people said it like right join, left join. Very bad. Now let's start, sir. How do you do it? Select in customers table. First I have to do the database select. So use W3 schools database. Can you see in customers table what are there? Customer ID, customer name, customer contact name, address, city, postal code, country. I want which one I want, sir? Customer ID. Customers table, customer ID, comma. Sir, I'm using alias. Orders table. You see here orders. Can you see in orders table? What is their orders table? Order ID. Customer. What is the common field in both? Customer ID. This is not science. Very simple. Okay. If you don't understand SQL, programming will be like kind of space to you. Okay. Because this is very, very, very logical and simple one. That's why I'm telling it. If anyone wants to come to software, na easiest route is MySQL. 1 week you can learn. 1 month you can get the job. Now O dot odd customer. I want to print order ID. Order ID. And here from what is the first table, sir? Everyone. What is the first table? Customers as C. Inner join orders as O on. Tell me what is the condition here? C dot customer ID equal to O dot order ID. Online, any questions here? For alias, we have to use as simple. I will run this. Very bad. I did exactly wrong. Here, how customer ID will be equal to order ID? Re? Logically wrong I did. See? Either customer ID, उधर भी customer ID. दोनों में same होना है. Now can you see? Everyone tell me here. Customer ID 2. Second guy. He bought one item, na? 3 bought one item. 4 bought 2 items. 5 bought some kind of 3 items. Is there a one? How many items one bought, sir? Is there any one bought? Sir, how many items one bought? Everyone. No, nothing. Zero. And that is why one is not coming here. That is why one is not coming, because one is there in customer. There is a customer named one, but there is no order from one. That is possible. In Amazon, someone registered, but he never ordered anything. But what if I want to print everyone? I want to print all customers. Same question. Display all customers. All customers with their respective order IDs. So, sir, I want everything from customer table, including that one guy. Anyone tell me which join I have to use, ma? Left join. Because customers is a left table. You want everything from left side. So you have to use left join. Online, I hope it is clear. Good. See, we are going slow. It is okay to go as much as slow we can. But I want people to understand it completely. Let's go here one more time. Copy, paste. Which one I have to change my everyone? Here, inner name I have to change it as. But can anyone tell me what is the difference it make? Last boys. What is the difference it came, ma? You see, one guy also came. Earlier, one guy is not there. Now I am printing all customers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All customers are printing. If there is no column common in right side, it will print null. One को कोई order ID नहीं है, तो print करो null. Is it clear, ma? See, there is no customer here. Now, little bit twist. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me who are the customers? Can anyone tell me who are the customers who never ordered? Can anyone tell me who are the customers who never ordered? One never ordered ना? तुमको कैसे पता चलता one never order? क्योंकि इस रिजल्ट पर उसका ऑर्डर आईडी नल है, राइट और नॉट? इफ आई राइट वेयर order ID is null, you can write is null, equals to null or is null, दोनों same है. Now anyone guess here what will happen now? These are the customers who never ordered. So people will ask, I understand this question. Interview में simple पूछता है. देखो कुछ like some customers are there who never ordered anything. Can you print them? How do you print it, sir? First print karo like all the people, all the customers print karo with their order IDs. In that, remove the people only, filter the people only with their order ID null. You have to get this thought. Are you getting my point, ma? Question is very simple. Tell me who never ordered. You have to check orders table. You have to check customers table. You have to combine the results to get this. Is it clear, ma? Online. Anyone with logical brain, MySQL is welcoming. Very simple. It is not like any definitions or theory concept. You can't butify MySQL. That is the point. Logically, is it possible to place an order without customer ID? No. Logically, it's not possible. It is not at all possible that one person place an order without the customer ID because the foreign key is there. So that's why in most of the cases, right join doesn't make sense. Now, I will share the questions with right related to joins. Don't worry. Now, next one. Everyone see here. Now, now, everyone tell me. I want to take the same question. I don't want to change the question. This time, I will make it more simple. Same question, but take orders table orders as left. है ना? So which join I will use? Are you getting my point? My same answer. इधर उधर उल्टा करे तो सेम आता बराबर सिंपल. Now see, imagine here. Imagine I take orders table as first, customers table as next. Sir, everyone see this. Will I get all customers now? Everyone, see my answer. Will I get all customers or not? No, I will get all orders. I will get all, but हमको चाहिए all customers. Right join. Which join you will use, ma? Right join. ये भी सेम है. देखो, सेम आंसर आ रहा है, but in a different way. I just reverse the table. Simple logic. Anyone have any questions, sir? No. Next one, guys. Next one. Full outer join. Everyone focus here. Last boys. Middle boys. Please focus here. 2 minutes. In MySQL, full outer join is not possible. In interview, they will ask you. In Oracle, you can write full join. In Oracle, if you write full join will work. But in MySQL, as of released versions, full outer join is not possible. But we can do it in an indirect way. People will do left join. एक आंसर आता ना. People will do right join. एक आंसर आता ना. They will combine these answers. Left join they will do. Right join they will do. And they will combine it. How do you combine answers? You can combine answers using union. Using union. You can combine the answers using union. If you combine it, you will get it like left join something, right join something. Union is like a word, keyword, which is used to combine answers. For example, if I say some customers table, I will write one basic query. Every customer is having one something called country. Everyone, first see what is union. Select star from customers where country equals to Germany. Anyone guess what will happen if I do this? Last voice. What will happen, sir? Only customers who are from Germany will come now. Any doubts in this query? No. Now, if I do it here, same thing. Select asterisk where Mexico. Now what will happen? All the people from Mexico will come now. If I put union, anyone guess what will happen? All the people from Germany, all the people from Mexico will come. Only rule is only one rule. When you are union, when you are combining the left side query, first query, whatever the number of columns should be equals to right next query number of columns. Then only they can combine, else they can't combine. Now very simple. You are getting it all the people from Germany, and then answer is adding all the people from Mexico. Same way, union is used to combine two queries. Union is used to combine two queries. Now imagine I write one query for left join. See, I write one query for left join. This is for left join. This is for right join. Right join. Sir, I write left join now. I write, everyone see here, please. I write left join now. I write right join now. I combined both now. Combining left join and right join is called full outer join. What is it called? Full outer join. Directly full join will not work in MySQL. MySQL does not support full join directly. But we have an indirect way called union. What is the indirect way, ma? Union. Union will combine two query results. Any questions, sir? No. This is full outer join. Online, anyone have any questions? So here both are coming. Union is a keyword, correct? Last but not least, most important thing, boys, focus here, ma. I want people to focus here. Till now, if you don't focus much, also you will understand. But this one concept, if you don't focus much, thoda mind bending. This is called self join, the most interesting topic of all. Self join. That means one table joined to itself. One table which is joined to itself. How it will happen, sir? Let me take it here. Something employees table is there. Now in this employee table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 people are there. Now I will do it like one more column. Uh, use W3 schools. Uh, alter table employees, table employees, add column manager ID integer ID integer. Manager ID 2, 3, null, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Now everyone, I will explain one simple table. Everyone focus here. Simple table, a simple employees table. Or let's start with the simple students table. In students table, sir, Guys, in students table, student id is there, student name is there, student gender is there, and there is something called class leader. Okay, or something like team leader. Maybe in the students, some students were having some team leaders. Is it clear, ma? But sir, I want you to understand, team leaders are also students only, right now? Middle boys, please focus here. 10 minutes. In one's class, I am dividing students as teams. Every team have one leader. But sir, that leader is also one of the student only, na? He's not some alien simple. Now I will start here. Student ID 101, Raj, something M. He's having team leader 102. 102, Priya. Now something female. She is not having. 103, Shikhar, male. 102, 104, um, Rahul, male. 105, 105, Ramya, female. 102. Now, everyone see this logic. This is very, very interesting and important point out of all. Full join and full outer join are actually same. Very, very important. Can anyone tell me who is the leader of Raj? Who is the leader of Raj? Who is the leader of Rahul? Who is the leader of Ramya? Who is the leader of Shekhar? Obviously. Now, are, are you all getting my point, ma? Am I combining two tables here? One table, you are combining same like the joins only, but one table, in one table only you are performing the kind of combination. How you are doing your mind is, here team leader is 102 and this 102 you are checking with this, right or not? Same thing here also, 102 102 बोले तो कौन है? Earlier you used to check in another table, foreign key, this table. But here, this table only coming it like here primary key only here coming. Another table primary key is not coming. Here table only. This table primary key only, it's coming it as an another one. Employees. Take it employees table. Every employee will have a manager. The manager is also one employee. He also will have manager ID, manager salary and everything. He is also one of the employee, but he is manager for some employees. Any doubts here? Are you getting my point? Very, very simple logic. Every customer will buy from suppliers. Supplier can also be a customer. One person joined as a customer only and he uploaded one item. And that item bought by another person. Or that person, this guy is a supplier, but this guy also buy another things as a customer. So in most of the situation, in one table only, people will have dual role. Like here, students have dual role. Priya is a student, Priya is also a leader. Some employee is an employee, and some that employee also manager. Some customer is a customer, also a supplier. Any question in this? Logically, it is very easy because many people mind don't work in logical. That's what I'm telling it. This is very easy concept, but understand it in depth. Now, here one table combining to itself. This is called self join. What is it called, ma? Self join. Very rarely this situation will come. Again, I'm telling it now. Online, many people not understand. One more time. One more time. Who is the team leader for Rahul? Ramya, na? How you are telling it? For Rahul, team leader is 105. Who is 105? So you are combining this with this. You are comparing one value, one column with another column in the same table. In the same table. This logic is called self join. What is it called, ma? Self join. But sir, you are doing it in same table. When system do same table, system cannot do the same table. So that's why for system sake, what people will do, people will create another table. Can you see I have two tables now? Sir, both are same tables only, na? Right or not? Everyone see, I have two tables. Is there any difference between the two tables? It's like I cloned it. Simple. Now, who is the who is the team leader for Rahul? Rahul team leader is 105. Who is 105 here? So print here Rahul, print here Ramya. Who is the team leader for Ramya? 102. Who is 102 here? So print it here Ramya and the Priya. Very simple. That Priya fan control. Okay. So one day you will find one angel Priya in your Facebook account and you will understand how much danger the Priya is. Okay. You don't know. People's life will be bad, Ray. Pagal. Now, focus here. I am also victim of Angel Priya. Do you know that? Everyone in the Facebook, I don't know. Okay. To all the exciting people, 99% Angel Priya is male. That is the problem. It's my friend. Okay. Now, anyway, now come back to this particular one. The point is very simple. You are having it here, one table connecting to itself, one table comparing to itself, one table join to itself. This is called self join. What's it called, ma? Self join. If I want to print, if I have to write the query, I will write the query like this. You see this query. If you understand this query, majority of the things will be over. Select from table 1. T1 bole to table 1. You put any name, it works. Table 1, student name. In table 2, student name. From table 1, which is table 1 name is students, as table 1. You can use inner join or any join, inner join or left join, it doesn't match. Because सर कोई प्रॉब्लम रहता है इधर इनर जॉइन लेफ्ट जॉइन कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि सेम टेबल है वो लेफ्ट में खाली गैप नहीं है राइट में खाली गैप नहीं है तो सेम टेबल है वो तो इनर जॉइन जॉइन राइट जॉइन कुछ भी इफ यू राइट डायरेक्टली जॉइन आल्सो इट विल वर्क नाउ हियर स्टूडेंट्स as T2 on condition T1 in T1 table. Can anyone tell in table 1 which column you are checking? Excellent. In table 1 which column you are checking, ma? Team leader is equals to in table 2 which column you are checking? Excellent. You are not that much kind of fools as you as I think, Ray. You are actually intelligent. Good. I actually underestimated you. Nice. Now see here. Very simple. Here In table 1, team leader is there. Sir, both are same tables only now. I just name them. I name this one as T1. I name this one as T1. I name this one as T2. In table 1, team leader, I am combining with in table 2 SID. Then automatically here Rahul, here Ramya, it will print. This is also normal logic only. How you do inner join or left join, right join, same thing you will do this table also. Difference is in other thing, two different tables are there, but here one table only acting as two different tables. Students table is only T1, to students table is only T2. If you draw the diagrams and understand this particular one, this is called self join. What's it called, ma? Self join. In interviews, when people ask you, they gave you only one table. In that table only, all things are there. You will use self join. But if two tables are needed, then you will do inner join or left join, right join based on the question. Full join will never work only. Any questions here? Online, anyone have any questions, sir? For a team leader, there will be another team leader. It is possible, sir. How? For team leader should be also a student only, na? How can another person will be team leader? There is no possibility. Manager also employee because he needs salary. Simple. Self join is not having any syntax. Self see, is it syntax of self join, ma? No, it is syntax of inner join. Self join is a concept. Taking one table as two tables. That concept is called self join. It is not one of the special kind. You can use inner join only for that. Is it clear, ma, online? Yeah, yes, ma. Full join means combining both. Correct. Now, sir, practice. Sir, tomorrow is Sunday. So you guys will just have chill and you will have your own things. So in your free time, I'm gonna recommend you to do everyone. Last voice. Monday I will ask one person. Each one person. I will make you stand and I will ask, including girls. I will ask what you have done. Okay, especially Monday. I want people to open something called Lead Code SQL 50. What is the challenge? Lead Code SQL 50. Open Lead Code SQL 50. Lead Code SQL 50. In internet, if you type it, you will get it. SQL 50. In this, select questions. I am 100% sure you can do select. It's not a big deal. Joins. I want you to do joins. Basic aggregation, sum, min, average, these things. Sorting, grouping. Almost you can actually do all the things. And Monday, I will do this all. Advanced select, subqueries. I will do advanced things. I will do. I will do the advanced things. I want you to do basic joins. I want you to do basic select. I want you to do basic aggregate functions. Why? Because sir, when you are trying, one question is there. You will think you will get lot of doubts, na? You will get lot of doubts, na? Bring it to me, sir. I tried something question. Dekho, I will show you one. I will show you one example. Go here. Some join is there. Very simple. Everyone see this question. I will show you. Lead code is one of the good way, ma. Everyone see employees table. What are the columns in employees table? ID and name. What is data type of ID? Enter. Name is varchar. ID is the primary key. They are selling it. ID is a primary key. It is a unique. Okay. Next one. There is something called employee unique. Employee unique. In this also ID is there, and in this you are having something called unique ID. So ID comma unique ID here. Combination is the primary key. Each row contains ID and corresponding unique ID of the employees. Now here what you have to write? Write the solution to show unique ID of each user. If a user does not have unique ID, replace just show null. सर हमको पूरा users चाहिए, all users. Sir, what if one user is not having unique ID, sir? Show null. Can anyone tell me which join you will use? Sir, read the question, sir. Example 1. Everyone see this question? In this question, ID 1. Who is ID 1? Alice. ID 7? ID 11? ID 90? Winston. ID 3? What is unique ID for ID 3? 1. Unique ID for 11? 2. Unique ID for 90? 3. But sir, what is unique ID for 7? Is there any? What is unique ID for 1? Is there any? Sir, but I want to print those people also. I want to print all users. Which join you will use? Which join ma? They will not tell you in question clearly left join, right join. But when you read it, oh, हमको पूरा चाहिए. Right side unique ID नहीं है तो null print करना है. तो left join I have to use. You have to think. And if you think that is easy, remaining thing बाकी is very simple. Select something e dot id here. I wanna print what is the answer you want. ID only name you want. So I want uh, something e dot unique id comma u dot name. They want to print a name. And employees tables name employees unique. So from employees as u left join employees uni as e on condition. What is the condition, sir? ID should be equal na? On both. So e dot id is equals to u dot id. Ayo. Everyone देखो. What is left table? What is left table? Right table? Employees uni. I want to print all left table na. So that's why you used left join. So बराबर. Run करो. Why it is not running? Oh, I need to sign up to do this. कुछ नहीं होता. You try it. You will sign up. 100% answer is right. In case if you are not able to try, if you are not able to get it, go to here solutions. I am only telling it. See someone's solution, someone's explanation, and again come back and try. I am not telling it's wrong. Never ever copy paste. Don't ask directly ChatGPT copy paste. That is the worst idea. Understand the question. The more depth you can go. If you are not understanding anything, bring it to me. Sir, I tried. देखो, here every question को एक number रहता. Note it down. Sir, I tried question number 1378, sir. I did not understand anything. Tell me in Monday after you try. I will explain it in the class. Is it clear, ma? Minimum 5 questions I want. Maximum your capability. How many questions minimum, ma? 5 questions. Start with joins. Any questions here? No, that's it for today. Thank you all, sir. Have a happy Sunday. Bye bye. Go ahead. Online, any doubts you can tell me, sir.